Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. So my name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, most out with today's news. Chris Sutton don't come and second they predict what will happen between Everton and Arsenal. So you can talk say Arsenal will defeat Everton 2-0 because they see Arsenal as having too much firepower to play against this Everton side, and since Arsenal are title contenders, Arsenal will defeat them irrespective of whether a new coach or be an old coach. Old players like Arsenal will beat them. Well, now what's everybody they expect, but from my research, what I can find out, we say for that Arsenal, this match Arsenal playing for Goodison Park will be Everton home. Arsenal they always find out very difficult. In fact, for the last 4 games we don't play, we don't even win yet. We lose 3 and we draw 1. We know how important this match could be. So going there to take a result will be very difficult, especially now with even the 5 relegation battles we get. So it could be a difficult match, but at the end of the day, who knows? If we just go there, go make and very easy, like what we go do against Spurs. So I'm expecting us to go there, dominate and try to collect the 3 points. Well, I'm very interested in watching this match. And our early kickoff for Nigerian time, now that kind of 1:30, so that kind of 1 o'clock, we're gonna open the studio. So let's just see how everything will go. So away from that, so Smith Rowe, they're likely to miss this Everton tie through thigh injury from what we they hear. Look at that self confirmed from media setting, say it is too soon for Smith Rowe to return to the fold. So maybe I'll see how it will go. I just wish the guy a quick recovery because we don't really miss him again. And this guy, no, this isn't just day filled with injury for him, because from groin injury, going out for a lengthy period, coming back, now thigh injury again. Come on now. Me, I don't just know I go be sure. Well, I wish him all the best of luck. So even Nelson himself don't recover from his own injury. So Nelson is likely going to maybe stay on the bench. That's if I won't put him on the bench, he gets, because squad depth with Nelson coming back, squad depth have done the day very rich. So myself, I also they happy to see our boys they come back. And away from that, so Ethan Waneri, we will not remember saying that the youngest player to play for the EPL at 15 years old. So people like Chelsea, people like Man City, they don't come for this player. So they would like making him play for them. Again. So I don't know what's happening, because the way the guy they play, who knows how in future will be, where in future will lie. Whether for Arsenal, whether for another team. I remember that time where I thought I just give him a chance to come play in debut, people they celebrate them. Some people can talk say they made the Arsenal protect that way because poachers are going to come to try to poach him. So now what does happen now? Chelsea and Man City they're interested, because all these people they get academy of their own, but they don't really they train players. Like the academy no they as fruitful as the Hale End Arsenal academy. So at the end of the day, we'll see what's in Ethan and in team and in agents and in family, what they will decide, because most times now the family now they talk say okay no let's swap ship, because for this Arsenal you don't get future, because you may not likely play or find your way to the first team like Saka and the like. So we'll just say I go in. Because Arteta self don't come outside from media set where they ask him about Thomas Partey. So you can talk to Thomas Partey is a doubt to get because of that ribs injury. Remember Satel not talk say he may miss 1 training. So later they can say he appear for another training. But now yesterday Arteta they do the conference because they say may they see how Partey go train yesterday. That in training of yesterday, going happy about training, then go decide what him go do, whether they go deploy Partey, may him play against Everton, or whether they go put up a bench, may Jorginho starts. For me personally, if you ask me, I go say make them play Jorginho, make them rest Partey, because the guy he need to recover. That is why we got Jorginho in the first place as a cover. So if you can bring him as a cover, you cannot play him and allow Partey to rest and recoup some energy. Then why come buy him in the first place? So that's what me I'm expecting. So I expect when I see the lineup, make I see Jorginho there, Jorginho, Xhaka, Odegaard from midfield. That's what I'm expecting. If I go see Partey, and Partey can go aggravate the injury, because that's another thing. If you to play him now, it can go aggravate. People call the abuse as Arteta. People call you talk negative about Arteta. Say say this guy never done represent fit. So why you can't play him? So all those kinds. I remember Everton is fighting for their lives. They're fighting for their lives. So we need to be very careful how we handle this today match. So Tomiyasu said don't come outside and talk about Arsenal's success under Arteta. So you got to talk to the major reason we make then they succeed under Arteta, and the fact that they don't understand the message, the football philosophy, get the blueprint of the manager, and then they display for the field of play. Unlike last season, we say they hear the message but they no fit interpret am on the field of play. Like every two Arteta they tell them from last season or last 2 seasons till now, it has always been the same thing, the same message, the same style of play. This is how I want you to play, the same way, you get. But they no fit interpret am, but now because they hear the same message consistently, so now they interpret am better. So that is why they are faring now. Even Tomiyasu can go a step further. Call the talk say Arteta na the best manager wey he don ever train with. Like he don't play with, he don't train under, you get. So he's very happy to have him as his gaffer. Like myself, I dey happy to have him as our manager. Omakali say Arsenal they prepare to offer contract terms to Granit Xhaka. So this one, it makes sense. It suits my body because Granit Xhaka needs to be rewarded for his hard work and may then give him that contract. No one here say we qualify with Champions League, Granit Xhaka no can dey involved, no can play. Omo, you go pay me. Some people even they talk say Granit Xhaka don't play Champions League for Arsenal before. Say the early time when he first come Arsenal, I can't remember, so I don't know. But all I know is he needs to play Champions League for this particular Champions League. Maybe say in follow for those who fight for him, because I expect to hear the Champions League anthem at the Emirates next season. So I'm very, very happy. Make all these guys we fight for her, make them did there to enjoy, and people like Saka, make them did there, Martinelli, you know, make them did there to hear that anthem. Goosebumps, I go feel everywhere. So Brighton coach De Zerbi don't come and say I beg Brighton fans, say this is the time for you to support your boy Casado. You can say him now. He don't already free the matter. Say him they support the guy. Say they ready to defend the boy anywhere, anytime. Because for the media Saturday they ask him, say what will be the way forward now? If say the guy don't resume training, he don't train again. So I go say, so you don't tell them, say you don't tell the fans, but then let's go every 2 way pass. Support him is your own, because he need this boy performances. If they won't qualify for Europe, they need him. So this is not the time for him to say, even if I feel of play and I'll call the boo him. This is not the time. You need to support him. Even the media people when they ask and say, "Sure, whether this guy will stay Brighton after the end of the season?" Baba say, "I must say no sure," because everybody knows say once season don't end, this guy could find his square. So and now what Brighton said they talk in the beginning, say midway through the season they are not able to sell him, but for summer they will sell him after they don't achieve their goal of going to either Europa League or UEFA Europa Conference League. So we just say everything is go. I think everything is going in the right path. But one thing that whether Arsenal will still go back for this guy, that's what I don't know. But just this. Arteta don't win the manager of the month of January. I know say you don't win manager of the month of December, so which means you won it back to back. You get, and this one can be Arteta 3 times, so you don't win them for this season alone. And overall, for manager of the month, so Arteta don't win for England. This one starts for Arsenal work, so you don't win them 5 times. Now people like Asamoah that don't win them overall 15 times, and people like Jose Mourinho win them only 4 times in all his career at EPL. You get, so people like Alex Ferguson don't win like 27 times. You get, so Arteta don't break record for Arsenal as the first manager we go win this team man of the match award 3 times in a season. You can still win it 4 times, you can still win it 5 times, because many weeks still plenty, and many months still plenty waiting for this EPL for this season. So let's just praise our manager and give him some accolades and encourage him. You get, make him continue. So for me, that's it. I'm going to ask Arteta to make him explain the exits of people like Marquinhos, Sambi Lokonga, and Cedric Suarez. So we're going to talk to you. Sure, 3 of them. Now this I know what they call their name 111. 3 of them now the same thing. They are all looking for playing time. Sambi Lokonga need to develop, and they can look at the best place now under a Vieira. He gets ready for Crystal Palace. Then Cedric now Fulham that one go, because Cedric said done the old. We know he wants game time. He gets to go Fulham. We will play with former Arsenal player Willian there. You know, enjoy his stay. So everybody, Marquinhos also go Norwich. That one said need game time. All the 3 of them are game time they need, and to aid their development, you can't send them out on the deadline. They say, but then just go play, and it makes sense like that. So that's what it be. And I mean, they ask all these people don't come out now. If Arsenal later win the league, they go collect the medal. So from the research where they get and from comments where people comment, they say, for example, somebody like Partey we can join Arsenal, leave Atletico can win the league. Say Partey later collect a medal. So I believe other people will collect their medal. So this is what it is. One of our senior man they call Onofe Evaristus. Baba send me thank you. Say CHUKS use and go buy fuel, because the first situation with the country now God just the same person. So Baba, I need to see money to bless us to say more go use and invest in the show. Baba, may God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. So actually for you, and then the other people they send me money get it's the same person money. So I just thank all of you now, bless you now, but may God just replenish your pockets in Jesus' name. Yesterday Chelsea play Fulham and they play 0-0 draw. You know, say for this life, don't be money be everything. No, if you use money, assemble the best of the best of the best players, but to bring all of them together, come put them, make them come become one team. Now their problem can they can be playing individually. You see Modric go with the talk so one side. Modric play first half, you know get shot on goal, no chances created, nothing. First half after 45 minutes, don't drum out. They put now non-Imad. That one said play on in best. Enzo Fernandez, £120 million. He play, not Shinbaka, nothing. Like I watched that Chelsea match yesterday. I watch and make us see how everybody go play because they spent a lot of money. I see Ted Boyle, but at the point, my backup player saying they sleep. Like that match was a disaster. You get. And which at the end we say if Chelsea don't qualify for Champions League, financial fair play will knock them big hammer. They will get a lot of sanctions. So I just they kill interested in seeing how this Chelsea team will gel. So more just watch. Our Martinelli himself saying they delighted with Arsenal contract, saying he won't give back to the fans, saying he won't make all of them proud because they believe in him and they're gonna make and they shine. They get all those praises, all those things, all those chants, whether they hail him for the field of play, they make everything to go well for him. Say we want to make sure say this season is going to be a spectacular season, and I believe at the end of the day, once we win the league and qualify for Champions League, this season go mad again. It will go down in history books because we already create history as the Arsenal side in history to take the most points in the first 19 games, 50 points. Now beans, don't be beans now. Get no easy. Even Brent Leno said don't come and say talk say he go like make Arsenal win the league he gets, but say you know go dey very easy with Man City breathing down your neck. But one prayer when they pray for Arsenal, make them carry the league, make everything go well for them. So my dear football lovers, let's enter match of the day. So today, now Everton go host Arsenal for the Goodison Park. So more run check their head-to-heads. So for the last 5 games they don't play for this place, Arsenal lose 3, draw 1, and win 1. In short, for this Goodison Park, we get bad record for the last season. We still lose 2-1 for this place. For you to know how difficult it is to come here to come and play. Get for the last 4 games we don't play here, we know win 1. So, but with the believe say today match, history is about to be rewritten. You get, we come and can't change history. You get, history is meant to be broken, and although we know it is meant to be kept also, but we are trying to break it this time around. So we'll come here, collect our maximum 3 points, and Shonda except don't they talk plenty, don't they hand us saying they're ready for us. So today, I like as them they're ready for us. They will come outside and play. So we'll come outside and play, and anything we come outside, they don't say they will collect. So today we'll see how everything goes. So my dear football lovers, you know watch yesterday's show. Check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.